Shading with color pencil can have its challenges, but there is an easy way to level up your coloring skills from this to this. So hey everyone, for today's video, we are using Dom's color pencils, but any cheap pencil will work with the technique I am going to teach you. And that technique is called layering. For example, as you can see, I am coloring the box in the same direction, just up and down. And for the next box, I am coloring the box in two directions, up and down and side to side, so it gives another layer of color. The third box I'm going to shade up and down, side to side and diagonally from all sides, so it gives a pretty vibrant color, hiding all the white spots. I'm pretty sure you guys can see how much better it's looking from comparing the third one and the first one. When blending multiple colors, use the same approach. Start coloring with one pencil and shade a little lighter where you want to blend it with the other. Now take the other color and repeat the process, adding layers in the three directions until you get a smooth transition. Just keep sure to keep your grip looser early on so your pressure isn't too hard as you add layers. And when you're just about done, apply a final layer with firm pressure to get a deep smooth color. Now let's give Deadpool another try with these blending techniques. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in anime tutorials, check out my other videos. See you on my next video.